Here in the Big Taquery. It's in the Pulig Farms. Welcome to Pulig Farms. So yan. There you go. Here you call, here you see. After pandemic. Pandemic time, after 4 years we're here. So because we are here in welcome to Pulig's farm. So here we are. And Lency is far ahead already. In a snap, she's already there. And here we're here. So yan ang mafe-feature dyan. Mga ganyan. Mga laruan ng mga bata. And ano pa ba? Swing almost. All swing. And oh, Dayusip. There's Dayusip there. Hi! And Lency's there now. She's there in the slide. She's doing slide things. Oh, we're going to... Oh, I'm tamad to climb there. There were many stairs to climb. I don't know if we'll be able to climb that, but we'll see later when Andrex will wake up. For now, that's the Yusuf thing. And this is the stairs. Those are the stairs one.
Not there. Here.
Okay, I just slide. Yay! The child and the childlike. Oh, that's very good, Lency. Are you going inside? This is the child. So you see, Andrex, do not remove. Oh, just go up. Okay. Oh, go na. Drex. Andrex, Pugi. Yay! Spider-Man kano ka na din anak ko, and there's spider web. Oh, okay, that's the giraffe. That's the small taquery. That's the small car. And the small strawberry. Oh, you see? And the cart. Oh. See? Oh. It's an orange, beautiful car. Oh, Andong is opening it. Will you try to open if it can open? Oh, it's not opening. Sorry, it's locked. Go na lang here. You can hop in that wagon. It's a go-kart. This is the Ayusip or the Ayumani or the Blueberry. Oh, it has. We stayed this when I was a little girl. Oh, this is the Blueberry. Pala yun, yung ano ko. Pero may mga kasama sarut-sarut na maglakad. So, sarut kaming lahat. Wala nang pupunta sa grotto. Sa Rock Hill in the Big Heart.
Oh, you go,
Where's the Big Heart?
We'll wait for you. You wait for you.
Conformity, effort ng aga, kalayat. They're going to climb the grotto. So we'll see them there. To go. Oh, there's a bear down there. Oh, it's very wide pala this place. Talaga. But we're heading upward. So, we're not going downward. Downward is so tiring. So, we're not going downward. Because there's more space. Oh, dapat ganti ko. View deck ijibangin nga talaga. Oh. Oh, this is a very ano pala, very maluwang, very spacious or whatever.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, there's a view deck. There's a no there pala. Oh, sayang naman this. There's hawk there, and oh my God, ang luwang-luwang, ang haba, ang very ano pala nito. But oh, we cannot go there. Hawk is here. You see? And there's a view deck there.
I want to go there. I was remembering that.
You're remembering that?
Yeah, is Hawk.
Oh. Hi, Lindsay.
Hi, I want to go there.
You want to ano?
And 6.
We're not going up. We're going sideward. Kasi ano. Oh, where did you came from?
Mama, can you come with me?
Oh, that's so far.
No, you will.
We go up there. You go up there and go to the hawk. Yeah, you have 2 steps upward and then downward. Yeah, no. Go up first. You have to go up first because we're not going down, okay? Do you want to go to see the bear? Yeah, you go straight. Go upward and then downward. Oh, we're coming. Papa and the Andong is going there. Are going pala there.
Mount Kamison.
Oh my God. Mount Kamisong parehas din naman palang ano. Mount Kamisong sana pa kami pero namahalan kami sa entrance. So, we are here. Okay, you go. Not, basta apa-apan ka kan. Oh, turud na kam lang, Lindsay.
I can go to the...
Yeah. Oh, turud na kam lahat ito.
Picture eh.
Okay.
There.
The amazing view of this. Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda naman ng hut, oh. And the hawk is there. Oh, we're getting close. But the way is so grabe. O, diba? From up, downward, and then, oh, here. We're going down again. So, talagang ako ang taga-picture. Oh, anyway. Ganyan. So, wala akong picture dahil ako ang taga-picture. Oh, viewpoint. Yeah.
Point.
Yeah. Let's go. Make it. You run. Char. Takot siya. Takot siya dito kasi you see. It's a cliff. And we are on the top of the cliff. It's a view deck actually. Pinagmamalaki ng Pulig Farm actually. Feeling ko is this is their blueberry farm, this one, which is we call ayusip in our vernacular dialect. So ito yung blueberry.
I want to see it.
Yan, ang blueberry. Ang kinakain yan ng mga bata kami yan. Ay, hindi siya mayan. Basta ganyan siya. So madami siya actually. It's going there. Side. Ganyan siya. And it's very nice. It's very beautiful talaga.
Come on, show the rabbit.
Oh, ang dami talaga nilang blueberries.
Huh?
Oo, there. Oh.
You cannot just put your hands there.
Why not?
Because.
Oh, they're full of plants here, and
Come on, where's
downstairs I
Papa?
saw their
Where's Papa?
oranges and
Mommy, where's
bayabas, and this one. Hey, there's this is also food. You can also eat this one when it turns black. I
Then
just
you
forgot
ask it
the
to the ate,
I just forgot the name of this one.